Welcome back to another creative session for the Junk Journal January challenge for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and our favorite beverage of choice and let's dive into today's prompt of Echo. This one was a prompt I'm really excited for because I really had an idea of what I wanted to create from the start. There are a few prompts on the list where I have like a clear idea in mind and others I really have no clue yet. So we will see, but we will come up with something then. For today's prompt I decided to get a photocopy of this Vogue photography. I really like to just make a photocopy if I use any of my magazine things that I might use in the future again. And for Echo it was really practical to use the photocopy machine technique so that I could do multiple of the same motif and have this kind of a little bit blurry photography of this girl in color as well as in black and white. So now I'm just cutting out the subject to arrange on the page, and I really wanted to play with having kind of an echo of the subject on the page as well. So that's why I decided to include some in black and white as well, because I feel like it emphasized the shadow or echoey kind of element of the spread. I hope it makes sense. And I did also add a few outlines of the girl as well and did just play around with different layers of these motifs in a way. I'm really happy with how this spread came together and how it turned out in the end. And I feel like it's always just having a kind of outline of an idea in mind, what I want to start with if I have it, and then I just go with the flow and see where it takes me. How are you guys all doing? How is your Junk Journal January coming along if you are taking part in the challenge? I hope you are still enjoying this creative challenge for the new year. And if you're just watching, I hope you enjoy the creative inspiration anyway. Now let's just fill out this shadow, but first I did mark myself a bit where the glued down picture later would be, so that I don't waste too much paint on the whole figure in a way. That's something I sometimes do to just save some time and material. I really love how this bright pink pops of color are so vibrant on this spread, besides the just black and white and the vintage paper. I feel like it's such a cool look, the contrast of that. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and would love to hear your creative ideas in the comments down below. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy creating!